How much would you have made in 1 year using our strategy? So this is the most important question, right? So how much would you have made using our strategies in a specific time period? So for example, in 1 year or in 2 years. So in this video, we are talking, I'm about to show you 3 example strategies. One for the gold market, as you can see here, XAU USD, one for the Indian market, the Nifty, and one for the US market, the SPX or the S&P 500, right? And we take a look at how this strategy has performed in 1 year from the date I'm recording this video. And yeah, let's dive in and see for the first strategy on the gold market, which you can see here. So let's open the strategy tester here and see the performance. So what you can see here is, okay, this is of course a deeper back test, but let's go to select the date. So what I do now is I make a back test where we can see the performance of the strategy for a specific time period, and I choose 1 year, so 2023. We have like, oh sorry, one later, right, 26. So this is correct, right? This is 1 year. And now let's generate the report. So this is what you would have made with this exact strategy. What you also can see is under properties, you can see we already have the commission and the slippage calculated. So at your broker, every broker has a commission, a spread or something, some costs, right? But all these costs are already implemented here. The only cost that is missing is the overnight fee or the swap, but every other fee is already implemented here, and you can change it. If you use our strategies, you can change it to the fees of your broker. But what you can see here is this strategy, for example, made or gained around 422% in just 1 year, which is amazing, with a maximum drawdown of 43%. Our strategies, you can also change the risk to your needs. So what you can see is the leverage, and you can change the leverage, for example, to something lower like 5, and then the risk decreases. So you have the lower drawdown, only 30%, and still have a 250% gain in 1 year with only 29 trades. So this is the first strategy. You could also increase, but I wouldn't recommend, because 50% drawdown is already pretty high. So this is okay. You can still decrease even more. So it depends on your own trading style. But these are kind of the results of that you could have achieved in 1 year. And I use them personally too. So I use every strategy we have to diversify my capital. And even when one strategy should have a higher drawdown when a crash happens or something in the market, in a specific market, so I can I have different strategies outperforming these drawdowns, right? So let's take a look at the next strategy. So this is one of our Nifty strategies, and you can already see the results are stunningly good. And again, let's make a deep back test from 1 year. So we have September, right? 26. So again, 1 year, generate report. And here you can see the results weren't as good as in the gold market, but we also had a lower drawdown. So we made with this strategy 150% again, with already the costs implemented here. So you can change it to your needs of your broker if you are using the strategy, but we made 150%, nearly 160%, with just a drawdown of 25%. So we could increase the leverage of the strategy to something like 5, for example. And then the results, of course, would even look better. So 300% in that time, with only a maximum drawdown of 40%. So a really, really great return again. And lastly, let's go to the US market here, to the S&P 500. I close this. Okay, I don't. So like this. Okay. And here we have the strategy. And again, I'm making a back test, like from to today, September 26. All right, so again, 1 year, generate report. And we made, okay, this this one was not so high, so 46%. This is due to the recent, not really a crash, but yeah, the market wasn't really performing well. And yeah, we were just a bit unlucky with this strategy, but still in 1 year, 46% is great. And when we see back again the trades or profitable trades, we will be back somewhere here, which is around. So if we are here, so you will see around like 100% gain in that time. So of course, still great results. And the drawdown is still not too high. Again, you can also here change the leverage to your needs, so you could decrease it, increase it, however you like. So these are the results of our strategies, and of course this one was working best. We have still even more strategies. So for example, so you can see I'm not using some strategies that are working well. These are just some example strategies. I can show you, for example, another strategies of ours. The CC Nifty is also working for the Nifty market. And let me show you also for this one the results here. So now you can see the results, and they are again stunning. So we made around 80% in 1 year with a maximum drawdown of 22%, which is also very low. And these results are also crazy. So 90% profitable in that time. So 9 out of 10 trades were profitable trades with a profit factor of nearly 8. So crazy results again. So you can see our strategies are working. You can also see here the performance table, for example. So in the performance table, you can see how the strategy has performed in the recent years and month. And what you can see here is that we only had 2 bad years, only with -4%, -17 or 18% kind of, but every other year was really good. For example, this one, 260% in just 1 year. This is really good. And if you use a couple of strategies and build your portfolio this way, you can gain a lot. Yeah, can make great returns with not even so much of a risk, and you can tailor the risk level, the leverage to your needs, so it fits perfectly to your trading style. So these are the results. If you have any questions or I can help you in any way, please send me a message. We have a live support chat. Otherwise, we have you can test all of our strategies 14 days for just $1. So just go to Pine Indicators, and then you can test every strategy yourself, 14 days. And yeah, maybe it's working for you. I think so. We have already hundreds of traders using our strategies, and I'm sure it will help you in your trading journey. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, have a good time, happy trading, and great profits. See you.